We found 19th century old meat knife and we are going to convert it into a brand new. Upper layer is fully destroyed by rust and dust particles, so we have to remove this layer. Layer is being removed with different tools. After removing rust, we are putting some color on it, and now grinding process will start. We will make sure that even a single dust particle, rust particle is removed, and we can see solid iron. After cleaning through a different liquid and a grinder machines, we will again clean it through electrolysis process, and we have to make sure that each rust particle is removed and we have a solid iron left. Now we will print some kind of vintage design on it. Design is printed now, and we have to adjust the handle. We will make wooden handle for it. Handle is ready now, and we are adjusting on a meat knife. Handle is adjusted on our knife, and our knife is going to convert into a brand new shape. Handle is adjusted. Now we are giving it a final look. Our final look is ready, and we are making it sharp, and now our meat knife is ready to cut.